How's it going, friends? Alrighty then. Alright, so for those who are watching, W's in the chat if you can hear me, if the music is not so loud, if everything is perfect, if you can hear me, so that would be wonderful. MSD, how's it going? The one guy is Unideath is buying more ETH. Oh my lord. I thought today a lot of people are gonna stay calm before the CPI. But hey bro, no face, how's it going? How's it going, people from all over the world? How's it going, people from a third world countries? Oh my god, people from the third world countries. Alright, how's it going, everyone? Let's just enjoy this live stream. Let's discuss about things and let's discuss about all the probabilities. What can we expect in the upcoming hours? I mean, we're not gonna speculate on the CPI news, but we'll see the FOMC meeting, how it's gonna go and all of that. So of course I'm not paying attention to all of those news because yeah, the market structure, fellas, market structure, god damn it, market structure. Also comment if the music is not too loud because I'm using a headphones right now. So by using one PC I cannot hear the music. I'm just seeing the metrics on it. All right, hello. So I believe I'm on, and yeah, so let's just discuss and do a quick market update. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Yes, this is not a clickbait. $3,000 Ethereum is a very realistic scenario. I believe you all see exactly what I'm seeing. This juicy key level that was our previous support. This is our supply. So I do believe that we have a chance after this consolidation finishes, breakout rally to the upside, another one as we discussed in the previous live stream, so nothing new. But the thing is, it's gonna be a little bit more educational if I'm gonna miss this move, because I told you guys that I'm waiting for some kind of retracement, right? So if I'm gonna miss this move, well, let it be, all right? Let it be, because my Ethereum spot position's gonna skyrocket. If I'm not gonna open this trade by long, so let it be. I don't want to go on a lower time frame because right now I'm just trying to trade on a daily time frame because it's super stressful. But if I'm gonna miss this and Ethereum and Altcoin is gonna start rallying up, I posted today a lot of setups in my private community that there's plenty of explosive setups on altcoins, and I posted on my X that majority of those altcoins are forming freaking exactly the same thing. We can gonna take a look on some one or few altcoins. I don't want to show you like majority of those altcoins. I don't want to mess up with your brain, but the thing is that you can do this by yourself, that redraw those patterns on your own altcoin, because I posted and today was everyone was extremely calm and no one was talking with me in even my private community. No one was talking to me in my Telegram. No one is talking to me. So I thought everybody's staying calm because they're waiting for some kind of stupid CPI news. And yeah, so I told you guys that drop me your favorite altcoins or stuff like that, because I don't have that much power in me to analyze every freaking altcoin, and I cannot place all of those buy long positions because then I'm gonna split my risk. I'm gonna increase my risk by placing all of those buy long positions on those altcoins, because that would be insane. I don't want to do that. I'm only gonna place on those altcoins a buy long position, unless, I mean, if I'm seeing a right like super clean pattern. If that pattern is not that clean, that explosive one, I'm not gonna go in. I'm not gonna get into that. But yeah, so still Ethereum right now. Let's just get back to the Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's just talk about a few altcoins maybe, and I want to see what is going on with the chat. Yeah, too many altcoins, and of course majority of those altcoins are printing exactly the same thing. So comment in the chat, what do you do at those situations? For example, what if Bitcoin, Ethereum, and like hundreds of coins are printing exactly the same pattern? Should we jump in all of those trades? No, I mean some of them are gonna play out, some of those altcoins not gonna play out, some of those altcoins not gonna experience that rally like the others gonna experience. So, I mean, I have no idea. I don't have a crystal ball, but we'll see after this CPI and FOMC meeting, that stupid meeting, that stupid speech. So we'll see how the market will react. But I do believe on a daily time frame, we're not that far away to reach this neckline on Ethereum. If we're gonna see some kind of consolidation, even a breakout from here, we're like 15% away. So this is not like a big of a deal in the crypto ecosystem. I mean, you know what I mean? So crypto is like going like a wild card. So 15% is absolutely nothing. But the good thing is, what I like is that look at the Bitcoin price on the right side. Look at the Bitcoin percentage movements, and on Ethereum. And of course, Sui is killing it. I mean, yeah. So the good thing is that right now we're seeing like, what, the third time in a row that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. So a lot of haters that hated Ethereum is right now getting into Ethereum and posting a lot of crazy stuff on X that they right now, oh my god, I'm so bullish on Ethereum. When we were bullish on Ethereum freaking entire time. I mean, so I hate this battle between bulls and bears, you know, fellas. I hate it. Sometimes some of those people are posting just to post, just to get that, just to grab your attention, you know. And of course, for those who just joined, smash a like or a W's in the chat if you're gonna interact with me or interact with us in this live stream. Of course, once again, costs you absolutely nothing, and I see every single time we're doing over and over again, every single time the live stream, we're attracting new people, which is absolutely crazy. This is wonderful. I mean, goddamn. I'm long in Ethereum from 2565. I mean, should I be jealous of people and because I closed the Ethereum buy long position? But I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna regret of making that decision because we don't know. The setup was this and the final target profit was blah 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 like this, and I don't give a damn thing. So yeah, so Ethereum. Speaking of Ethereum, only about Ethereum right now, just for a moment, waiting for this consolidation channel to be confirmed or whatever, and waiting for the CPI. What are your expectations, fellas? So because I don't know what to expect. In my eyes, looking on the charts, we're forming some kind of, let's just say, higher lows, a bullish flag, or a small explosive pattern that could be end up by place the Ethereum price on $3,000. So that would be wonderful if this is gonna play out. And of course, double top pattern did not play out. Right now we're trying to let's just say to get a third touch at the top of this channel. So my expectations right now, even we're gonna get some kind of turbulence, maybe there is a chance to retest $3,000. So that'll be my next target point, and who knows, after reaching $3,000 for Ethereum is going to be an insane psychological level. Are we going to see a clean breakout through this key level, our previous neckline? Blech. Or we're going to see another volatile movement, catch a demand. That's those demands I'm trying to catch it, you know. I don't want to say I missed that one, but my expectations was to touch this one golden ratio, golden zone, because we executed like a lot of trades on the golden zone, so I want to stick with the golden zone or the premium zone. It doesn't matter. I mean, it depends on the charts, on the all of those candles, but at the moment I was looking at the golden zone. For those who know, they know. Or after breaking out this key level, $4,000, it is a very realistic scenario. Is it gonna play out, or we gonna lose all of our money? Some of the people maybe gonna get liquidated. So yeah, I'm not gonna advise you to stay away before the CPI. I'm not gonna advise you that, but this is absolutely your choice. I'm not into Ethereum's long position. My scenario, my plan did not play out. And then once again, if I'm gonna miss this, who cares? We placed and I announced majority of those trades that patterns are forming on those altcoins. And I'm praying to crypto gods right now for those altcoins to start playing out. All of those, let's just say, models that I don't want to say I created, but I always keep my eyes on those models. And of course, I'm building a blueprint, a specific patterns, two models, very precise blueprint. and I'm gonna announce it on my Instagram, whatever. I'm gonna announce it very soon, and I'm creating my, let's just say, a template that is helping me on my every single day. It helps me to manage all of this stupid business by being that stupid influencer, which I don't like, but there is no way back because there's a plenty of scammers running under your name, so you cannot exit this right now. It is what it is. I have to do this till the end, till I die. Basically, screw that. And yeah, where was I, fam? I mean, yeah, I'm creating those, the one product that could be very helpful. I'm working a lot on my backend because right now I have like a lot of following on my Instagram, so I need to do something about it, you know? I cannot just let it slide because a lot of people are not, and I didn't post. I need to start posting that I'm doing live streams on my Instagram because, you know, we need to attract more people. I want to be a live streamer, you know? And yeah, Ethereum also, what I wanted to say is that Ethereum has a lot of respect at the bottom. This ascending trend line could be also our compass in the middle of the forest. In the middle of the freaking forest could be our compass. It could get like 1, 2, 3. It could get like a fourth touch. The fourth touch would be, oh my god, that would be a beautiful. The second one that I draw, that would be wonderful. Shaking every single stupid baboon that goes long, liquidate, shorts, boom, boom, boom. That would be an awesome scenario. That would be an awesome scenario. So Ethereum, it is what it is. It's like, looks super clean, and we don't know before, I mean, after the CPI is gonna hit the market, all of those crazy news that the Powell that has the most power in his lips, in his mouth. All right, talking about the Bitcoin, of course, once again, it's pretty awesome that Ethereum right now by percentages is like outperforming Bitcoin. So screw Bitcoin, let's go Ethereum. Let's go to Valhalla. By speaking of Valhalla, or how to pronounce this one, the Vikings paradise, Bitcoin is already at the paradise, sitting at the all-time highs, and still gets rejected at this supply, and is not able to, where's the supply? And doesn't able to create a higher low. You see, pump, consolidation, insane rally, consolidation, rally, a little bit stronger rejection. We see strong rejection here, then here, then here, and right now we have a little bit aggressive one. So that is where the selling pressure steps in, and that's what I wanted to tell, that at the top there's a lot of selling pressure. A lot of people that with the big deep pockets are taking their profits. So speaking of which, let me just take a look quickly in the comment section. I mean, on the live chat. Let's get back on the Bitcoin. I have like zero thoughts on the Bitcoin. Still reaching those all-time highs, so screw that. I'm paying attention on Ethereum, so I'm not gonna repeat myself over and over and over again. So what is up with the live chat? Everyone who misses out on longs on Ethereum, you are missing generational wealth right now. Well, I want to believe that, but let's just pray to the crypto gods that you'll right. Unit death. Yeah, I buy more spot yesterday. More spot at yesterday. That was like what? Here? 2.5k. It's not great and not terrible thing. I mean, almost 100% to all-time highs. Buy 24/7 every day, but stop doing once I spread. All right. Hey, bro. Plus www. Hello. Sounds okay. Hope everything is all right. I'm long Ethereum 2.0. Nice. Too many altcoins in this market. Most definitely. We discussed in the previous live stream, bro. I remember you. Was bullish on Ethereum every cycle. Those who hate doesn't understand that Ethereum is second Bitcoin. All right, I want to discuss about things. Maybe I'm not educated. I'm not educated enough, but I mean, why? I'm still trying to answer myself. Why we chose Ethereum? Number 2 guy. I mean, I'm trying because, like, yeah, all the protocols or the blockchain under Ethereum, all those smart contracts and whatever, but Ethereum is extremely expensive. They're doing nothing about it. I mean, I have no idea why we chose Ethereum. That's because maybe I stuck with the Ethereum since I was mining Ethereum and those, but I mean, yeah, 2. 2.0 isn't probably, yeah, but still, I mean, those promises, I don't believe in promises. So there anyway, whatever your name is, the person from a third world country, yeah, you can talk with me in the live chat about business. Are you stupid or what? Come on, don't be stupid, don't be stupid. And yeah, we're waiting for those CPI once again. Let's just get back to business. All right, so yeah, in like what, in 4 hours, etc. Something around that. Ah, stupid ads. Alrighty then. Alright, what else, chat? If Ethereum DeFi 2.0 possible, can 10k... See, Davio is once again the guy from the third world country that doesn't know how to write and to ask correctly without doing any logical mistakes, and cheaper compared to Bitcoin once in... Yeah, but the Bitcoin is a different. Bitcoin is different. FBI can come to your home and like just call it the Ethereum's office and they can confiscate all of your crypto. But the Bitcoin is a different story. I mean, it's untouchable. Bros, what the heck is going on with these charts? What the hell is going on with these charts? Slick, we're just waiting for the CPI. I thought we're gonna... Of course, I'm not gonna do though. I asked this, I understand. Oh my god. No, I thought we're gonna do a quick, I don't know. We're gonna have a nice conversation before those news or whatever you're gonna call those red folders gonna start hitting the market. All right. Once again, I just want to milk my Telegram group, you know. I'm live. Join me. Dot. All right. Understand. Understand. All right. And talking about the altcoins, let me just pull up these some kind of, I don't know, GMT update. Don't tell me what to do. Yo. I mean, we can pull up. I'm just thinking about altcoin that could be, yeah, as an example. I remember some of them. All right, let's just take an example. That stupid file coin. Maybe there's going to be some old technical analysis. No, I'm not going to pull up the file. It's not clear for you to understand. Let's just pull a GMT. All right, bro. Let's just put the GMT. GMT, the stupid one. All right, then. Screw that. GMT. Destroyed. All righty, then. Nope, not this one. Ask for their opinion about Ethereum with the DeFi. So who knows? I mean, if the Ethereum DeFi, I mean, the whole thing about Ethereum 2.0 is gonna... So the price is already in. So, I mean, it's like already programmed to be higher. But I don't believe in that. I just don't believe in that. I don't know. Speaking of which, I'm just talking about the charts. I have no idea what is going on on the back end of the Ethereum right now. Not paying too attention. I mean, I just want to find an altcoin that could show you, for example, what is going on with the AVAX. All right, here it is. That's what I wanted to show you. That would be a perfect example on the AVAX. Why did you tell me? Why did you tell me? Yeah, you join later. I'm gonna do like this live stream for 4 hours. I mean, how to get rid of the people from the third world countries? I mean, sorry fellas, but you're annoying as F. you're annoying people just asking random questions about. All right, that would be a wonderful to. Yeah, let's just take a look what just happened in the previous, before the previous rally. On the, this is just going to be an example. All right then. So I'm looking at the few patterns. Shut the hell up. I mean, I'm waiting for some few patterns that could be. Yeah, I remember this turbulence on the AVAX, but never mind. I'm looking at those explosive models that could send the price, that could swing the price. This like was one wonderful fake out. It's a perfect illustration of the fake out. Perfect. And let's just take a look if the wonderful. Yo, Bitcoin 215. Yeah, most definitely. We're all gonna get rich. Here's a lot of supply. It's identified. We have a lot of multiple touch points, and we're forming a pretty much exact. And this is like on all of those altcoins. Pretty much on all of those altcoins. Higher lows, founding some kind of. Let's just say this is just an example. I have only spot on AVAX, so this is gonna be just only example. I'm not gonna show all of my calls that I gave. So screw you guys. This is what you came here to have some kind of free lunch? No. Boom, breakout. I mean, yeah, fake out, rally to the upside, and this is a similar type of price movement, similar model. I could see that equal tops, and look at the bottom. Maybe we're gonna see a turbulence alongside all of those altcoins, across all of the altcoins ecosystem, whatever you're gonna call it. And yeah, Ethereum is gonna reach that golden zone. That would be also wonderful, and then a rally to the upside. The main question is how far these, let's just say, price action, technical analysis could get us till where. For example, on AVAX, we analyzed numerous times that, I mean, like, don't be stupid. Don't ask me again about the AVAX. You know what? I'm tired. This is like a mid-range after clean breakout mid-range. The second target would be 46.30, approximately 46, 45-ish. So those are the type of price movements, let's just say patterns, that I'm keeping my eyes on. Keeping my eyes on those explosive ones that could send the price after destroying that resistance. So yeah, where we can see a similar type of, now we don't see only a wedge patterns on the daily time frame. I like to trade those wedge patterns, but yeah, but also we can get rejected from the mid-range. So this is not, well, you get me. This is what I'm looking at right now. Yeah, on AVAX. This type of pattern. Yeah, let me just quickly delete that. Enjoy the jazz. All right, Sui. Solana, screw Solana. Sui. XRP. Screw you, XRP. Of course, I know how everything looks like. I'm just double checking. So get back to Ethereum. Let's just talk about Ethereum. I want to talk this live stream. I want to be talking specifically about Ethereum because you have to be interested as well. Ando. So I want to talk about Ethereum because if the Ethereum it's not going to start pumping, you can forget about your altcoins. Screw your altcoins. If the Ethereum is not going to start pumping, your altcoins, you can throw it in the trash can. So yeah, waiting for CPI. Waiting for all of that. But we have to be prepared. So yeah, this is basically what I'm looking at right now. What else do we have in the live chat? Oh, finally. I joined. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Alrighty then. At least you gave me some idea. Breaking what? Oh, no, they not. Yeah, I believe Ethereum, Bitcoin is Ethereum against Bitcoin. I mean, I believe it went home. I mean, we retested those previous lows. If not, I have no idea how this against Bitcoin could go, how low it could go. All right. We still have a solid pump to see. And yeah, of course, screw that. We don't know if this scenario is gonna play out. We're only speculating. So yeah, like, this is example, accumulation rally. So we're waiting for, maybe we could see this type of situation. What do you think, Chad? Also, Bitcoin dominance. How's it going? Bitcoin dominance is still rising up, but it looks sloppy. I mean, it tries to tap out. Core would be the next target point, 3.6, but we're gonna start rallying up at 2.6, 2.7. I mean, I'm gonna take out my profits before we're gonna reach 3.6. I don't give a damn thing. I'm sick and tired of waiting of this shit. Yes, sometimes I'm getting into the FOMO as well. Polkadot. Look at your Polkadot. Alright, then. I can delete that. Sitting at the absolutely lowest. This is stupid. I mean, my god. Inter Miami. Lionel Messi's. Sponsored by Polkadot. Jesus Christ. Alright, chat. What else? Ooh. I have a notification that something is going on. We need to start exploring for more coins, you know? I mean, I want to find something new. Give me some ideas, chat. Give me some ideas. My whale room is sleeping at the moment. They're sleepy. They know that they have to stay calm today. Give me some ideas, chat. Those 19 people that are watching. Oh, 19 people that are watching. Oh. Live. Solana. Screw Solana. Solana is not interested because sits also at the freaking all-time highs. Almost all-time highs. And also I'm in the Solana, so I already showed you in previous live stream. You come into my live streams every single time, so you know, or you're just like a retard that doesn't follow anything. I mean, I could jump once again on my previous stupid technical analysis, so let's just do on this one. That guy named Vaseline is like holding this coin. Oh, but there's a thing. I mean, I need to go on a bigger time frame. There's a thing. It tries to shift. It tries to shift. And with the one eye, I'm just trying to understand what that guy is saying in the live chat. I mean, disrespectful as F. I mean, look, the bottom was the previous small stupid consolidation. And also, I saw the coins that are forming this type of pattern. I mean, I need to zoom in because those patterns could be explosive as well. I need to double check it because whales, I still have some sauce for you. So, oh, it's just like squeezing and wedging. As this shit could play out. It respects, but just simple supply and demand on the 2-day time frame. But on a lower time frame, if I would take a long buy position, I don't know where to put my stop loss or how to be like secured. All right, the pivot point with the previous downwind be here. What if this stupid coin could rise back up one more time and then tapped out? Another 100%. Every single coin actually till their previous, let's just see, massive weekly or let's just say daily supply zones. Everyone is showing me, every single altcoin that I analyze, every single altcoin is showing me and exactly the same profits, 100% rally. So with the leverage, of course, if I were you, I wouldn't trade this with leverage because I would trade like with a 1.5 or 2x top. Drawdown is also negative, almost 90%. I also posted this and I got stopped out and got destroyed on this specific model as well. We tried to catch up for a long. I secure my stop losses and yeah, we got wrecked because the coin didn't pump, but it was like beautifully formed pump. Just nope, detour, that stupid deviation, and in other direction. The price went into the other direction. It went south. So I don't believe we're gonna go lower with this one. I don't believe that by looking at the charts. I just don't think so. Let's try to bounce back up. Come on. All right. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. If I were you, I would say we have a chance to reach. Also, look, even this random stupid the next major supply is at approximately from here a 100% rally. And the altcoin index is, where's my, hold on. I don't have it. I don't have the link. But still, altcoin season index, if you want, you can go check it out. Google altcoin season index is sitting at the lowest points. Altcoins are sitting at the lowest points, trying to shift from a bearish into the bullish. Till the major supply, there's like 100% rally. Altcoin season index showing that we're sitting at the bottom. Ethereum is like have a perfect setup for another rally. Bitcoin is right now looking sloppy. Bitcoin dominance. I mean, the odds are in our favor. Right now, I believe the odds are in our favor if we're going to take a long or we're going to buy something. Of course, nothing in here is financial advice. Screw you. Because I don't know the future. You need to set up your stop losses. On spot, it doesn't matter. On spot, if the coin is going to decrease by this and this amount, just get the hell out of your position if you're trading with an insane amount of leverage. Some bounce, I think they will continue to grow. All zero bro and other. You think so? Chat, for those who are watching, 24 people, comment in the live chat. It's all good, it's all good, it's all love. I mean, just comment in the live chat. What is your favorite coin? What is your like a top coin from your portfolio? What are you holding? What is your, where's my light? What is your diamond hands? What are your diamond hands on? I'm gonna wait. No problem, Eddie. But it's totally up to you. Technical analysis, just only technical analysis. It could be right, it could be wrong. If you're not gonna set up your stop losses, or I don't know, you're not gonna play safe, even my technical analysis can get you wrecked. Ethereum. All right, we have an Ethereum guy, as do I. No one. The other people are just too afraid to comment. Alrighty then. CRV, screw CRV. You're holding CRV? Are you serious? What else, chat? I mean, for those who are watching, give to the video, to this live stream, thumbs up. That would be awesome. I mean, let's just go on the lower time frames. A lot of uncertainty on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, bro, crypto is like a different animal, and I would like to get back to trade Forex, because right now, after trading crypto for a while, my brain has that crypto damage, you know? And after when I'm gonna get back into the ring of trading Forex, I'm gonna, oh my god, I'm gonna back test. I'm gonna try to test it out, everything, to remember all of those. I mean, I know it's supply and demand, basically, right? Let's just see, gaps, whatever. Basically, my trading strategy is supply and demand, but I need to, it like a different game, according to crypto. Turbo. Do we have also Forex traders? Comment in the live chat if you're a Forex trader. Just smash, I don't know, Forex. Just type Forex. I want to see how many people are trading Forex. I mean, let's just take a look on gold. You know what? You see? This is the fake out we talked about. We saw that there's like a probability to start rallying up, and we get back inside this channel. Of course, we are not trading based on this channel. This channel is also descending channels, just only illustrate us what is the current trend on the bigger time frame. But yeah, that is good. When the gold is dumping, crypto most of the time is pumping, because like those investors are taking their money from the safest asset and placing their bets into some kind of into a more risky biscuits. And when the gold is pumping, crypto most of the time, it's like correlated most of the time. Most of the time they're correlated. And I see the important key level here. Let's just go on the 4-hour time frame. Are we breaking the structure, or are we respecting this demand? That's what I like about the gold. Once again, this is not financial advice. You crazy baboons. You crazy baboons, it's not financial advice. We could print easily. We can print easily. What is the golden ratio stands on the gold? What is the golden ratio? Oh, just a touch. Just a touch. Just a freaking touch. And right now, I mean, I don't see this impulse movement. Everything is financial advice. Yeah, I can tell. I mean, I was so afraid by jumping on these live streams and doing all those YouTube videos, because I believe that I need to remind them this is not financial advice. I'm just showing what I do. If you're interested, just follow me. And most of the time, they're just like taking this serious. Yeah, I mean, to study people, I trust me, guys. I did since 2015 a lot of different businesses online. I also were I always been trading. I always admired trading. I always like investing all of my money into trading. I always wanted to be good at this craft. But also as a side hustle, I did a lot of crazy stuff. I mean drop shipping. I tried every single business online that you could imagine. There's no such thing that I tried everything. Seriously, I tried everything. And the good thing is about those, let's just say, business models, when you're doing things and in trading and especially in crypto, it's just like basically, once again, supply and demand. You can study people's behavior. You can study people's behavior. For example, in my Telegram trading community, when it was like public, right now I shut it off all of those links so new people cannot get inside my Telegram group. I'm just trying to work with the people who like a true OGs in this game, you know? And when everybody's like calm, I mean, when the crypto is doing absolutely nothing, they're just staying calm. They are not interested. Don't give a even shit about the crypto. And that's the moment that I like. And when I see that there are like a lot of offline people and there's like a lot of people like not interested into a crypto, that's what I like to get in. That's what I like to act and start to stack in. New trends, Labubu, what is that? A drink? Launch coin. Just drop me the ticker. And yeah, talking about this gold, if I would see a aggressive candle of the supply, but I don't see an aggressive candle of the supply. Maybe the golden ratio could be our supply, and the gold, I mean, let's just get back on the gold. All I want to say is that you need to study people's behavior and also react in the market, but you have to have like a big audience. You have to have like a big audience. When the YouTube views are low, when the Instagram post has a lot of views, I mean, there's not a lot of reactions on my Telegram posts, whatever. I mean, back in the days, right now, yeah, it's a different story because I shut it down all of those links. But when you see this type of behavior, that's the time when I'm gonna get in. That's the time when I'm gonna get in. I mean, I don't care. I learn from this. I learn from this. So yeah, basically, I do believe that the gold has... well, I mean, I would love to see those supply candles as we saw. I mean, here's like a supply shock on the 30-minute time frame. And here, if we're talking about the golden ratio, we got the respect at here from our previous highs to our previous lows. I mean, I'm not trading basically based on the Fibonacci levels, but it perfectly illustrates where our potential supply or demand zones are. So I would like to see those aggressive candles after consolidation. But right now, I just see a drawdown, so I cannot make my rational decision. I only see probability A here, but we can also go even higher. What is the discounted ratio stands for? Also here, perfect key level. So is there a chance for us to rise up back in 3.329 and then get rejected once again? Because if we're gonna get rejected from here, there's also a probability to form and print this head and shoulders type of pattern. So yeah, that's pretty much on gold. Zero action. I mean, I'm not trading gold at the moment, so screw that. So basically, supply and demand, supply and demand, supply and demand. That is why I painted my candles, the bearish candles, into the red, because I'm always trying to hunt for those instant shocks. Instant shocks. I like this shorting strategy after the price is trying to retest a supply. Here it is. Of course, this, like, we broke the whole structure, so everything is invalid. Oh. Another retest. Right now, alongside with this gap, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Oh, no, no touch point. I mean, I wouldn't like stay out of it. Stay out of it. So sometimes you can catch those movements, sometimes you don't, but I like the premium zone, to be honest, because it happens more rarely than the golden zone, but it has like a, and it's more boring, but it has a better win rate from my experience. From my experience. Enough about the gold. Sui's kicking ass. Sui's kicking ass. Are it gonna be able to swing this from the absolutely boom from this supply? I mean demand. I'm just doing random stuff. I mean, I'm just trying to see where the price could go up. But after the CPI, if the price is gonna start dumping, screw everything. So yes, it's solid coin. If you believe in that project, I would like definitely do the dollar cost average, because right now we're sitting at those highs that I'm not even confident in opening any spot position. The big spot position or a buy long. So but a lot of altcoins are printing exactly the same thing. Ethereum is starting to show us a bullish move. So what then on Su? It's gonna start flying even harder to the upside, or what? For example, this one. Those type of movements I don't like to chase. We deserve a proper pullback. We deserve a proper pullback. Stupid. This is stupid. All right. Sunday's live stream was better. People are way more interested in what is going on Sunday before the Monday, because yeah, we can prepare ourselves, but this is crypto's 24/7, so don't you ever forget that. Don't you ever forget that. What else do we have? Turbo. Screw Turbo. Bitcoin right now on the 4. I mean, I want to double check on the 4. I mean, oh my god. Oh my god. Can we start consolidating and then all of the money gonna start flowing into those altcoins? What is the percentage till the $4,000 to $4,000 Ethereum? 50%. 50%. Alright then. One more time. One more time. I mean, I'm doing everything from my Telegram, and should I abandon Telegram and start building a community on my Instagram? These are the... I like Telegram, but sometimes gets me like pissed because of those ads, and I don't know. So my plan was on Ethereum once again, pretty much like this. All right, chat, let's community. Let's community. Why are you so dead? I mean, are you got sleepy because of the new music style that I have? New genre? The jazz, piano jazz, blues? Because right now, by listening to all of those jams, I mean, I'm feeling sleepy. Yeah, but the Telegram, I mean, is... Yeah, I do agree with you, bro. I do agree, but I mean, on Instagram, I can have like purely everything is like mine, you know? Telegram is also great, but those ads. But, I mean, those people who are from my Telegram, just type T. I want to see how many people are from my Telegram. I mean, T, the letter T. Slick is also, I mean, Slick is always on fire. I have no idea what he's taking. Slick is insane. Slick reminds me that person that always goes to his, no offense, but to his 9 to 5, take his salary every single week, and then 80% like a crypto degen, he's always investing into the crypto. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. It reminds me like, I don't know, that type of guy. All right, need to mark down while you are typing. I need to mark all of those key levels. Perfect. 3 and then to 4. From 3. Oh, yes, sir. When the guy is saying sir, he's definitely from India. I believe so. He's definitely from India. I have no idea why those people are always say hello, sir, or stuff. Why? Why are you calling me a sir? Yeah, because I want to have everything on my Instagram. I can have like everything. I mean, I see that I can create also some kind of broadcast channel, etc., and start building through there. But I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, I'm gonna post everywhere. But still, Telegram is also, there are like a bunch of scammers. I need to remind every single time and spam to my people, hey guys, do not get interacted with those ads from my Telegram that are saying that we're gonna get you like thousands of % every single day by trading gold or Bitcoin. I mean, I'm trying to spam, I'm trying to protect people, and then always bites me in the ass by doing a good job. You know what? I'm thinking of, while I'm sitting here, I'm thinking to do something insane crazy by opening maybe buy long position with small leverage, because I'm extremely bored. Maybe if we're gonna get a retest at around here and not gonna respect the golden zone, I mean, if I'm gonna get stopped out and then we're gonna reach the golden zone, I'm gonna get re-entered, and that's pretty much it. Bro, you don't like to be respected? I mean, it sounds dirty as... I mean, oh my lord. It sounds dirty. Don't say that. Just call me, I don't know, bro. Bro. What up, bro? That's pretty much it. I'm not trying to get respect here. I'm just trying to record. We recorded a journey from, I don't know, 56 to $100,000 Bitcoin. Right now, we're trying to record a journey. All the best probabilities are all, I don't know, all the A+ setups on Ethereum till like a 4,000 journey. So that is what we're waiting for. That liquidity looks strange. I mean, I'm feeling right now on fire because I want to open a trade, but I know I need to stay out of it. But right now, I'm not in the FOMO, but right now I'm in a no man's land. I'm bored as... All right. What else do we have? What else do we have? Also, instead of sirring me, just smash a like. I mean, here it is. By smashing a like, you're gonna increase a probability for the more people to see on YouTube. Later, after the live stream is over, or you're gonna leave it, you can remove the like from your, let's just see, like list. Because after you're liking, there's, I believe it's like a playlist on YouTube where you can see all of your favorite videos that you liked. So that would be awesome. I want to try to grow the hard way on YouTube through Telegram, through my death Telegram. Because I don't want to cheat. Because I started to, when I started to do a YouTube, I posted during the summer, I posted on my Instagram, but then I stopped because I don't know why. And I thought I'm gonna do a, maybe the hard way. I don't wanna boost through the Instagram. I don't know if it's like a good thing or a bad thing by mixing all of those people together from Instagram and YouTube. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just stupid. Maybe I'm retarded. I have no idea. All right, I see some kind of reactions that are, what the hell is going on? While we're waiting for some kind of reaction or action with Ethereum, by waiting for the CPI and FOMC meeting, we need to have a purpose on this live stream, because right now we have no purpose. We're talking about the random things. I already mentioned that majority of those altcoins are printing exactly the same thing. So let me just remove this neckline. I mean, leave it just to change this stupid change of character thing. This was just an example we don't need. I'm not using breakout structure. I'm using my own terms. For those who... Oh, Joseph. Here's our guy. Here, look, chat. A perfect example. Hey, mate. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. When you're calling me a sir, I want to go downstairs and take some pills. Because I'm having a heart disease. And I need to go to sleep because tomorrow in the early morning, I need to go to the hospital to see my doctor. That's how I feel when you're serving me. %7.51% till the stop loss. That'll be like a 2x leverage probably, yeah. Let's just take a look at the Ethereum's past. Just want to take a look on the Ethereum's. Oh lordy then. What the choppy price action was like back in the days. Oh my god, look, this is perfect. This is perfect example. Those altcoins are printing exactly, I mean, not from the bottom, but from the top. They're printing those explosive rally patterns that I like to keep my eyes on. This one is perfect consolidation. This one is too choppy. Joseph, no worries. I believe that's gonna be soon. It's gonna be the wrap, but because I wanted to see what is going on with my community, how is going on with How's it going? How's it going, bros? What is going on? How are you guys feeling? Are you staying active or are you staying out of it and waiting for the CPI? And also, I need to do those live streams. You know what? I need to announce them so the more and more people can join and start waiting for it, because I'm always like, when I see something important, I'm just jumping on a live stream without giving you a short notice. I'm just jumping on a live stream. That's it. Because I have things to do. What else? All right, chat. One more time. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? What are your positions right now at the current moment? What are you doing? What are you doing, chat? All right, live stream. All right, fellas, 2 more likes and we're gonna get 18 likes. 18 freaking likes we have, and we're gonna get like to 20, which is, oh my god. Oh my god. What are the stats are saying? All right, external browser, direct unknown, suggest videos, YouTube search. All right. Open exchange. I believe that this is the chance right now to see an altcoin season, bro. I believe that this is our chance. Once again, I'm gonna repeat you guys. The majority of the altcoins are printing exactly the same thing, exactly the same potentially explosive patterns. Ethereum switched from a completely bearish, by completely being dead into more bullish, and it's still printing that bullish momentum. So I do believe that right now, yeah, my first target, once again, this is not a clickbait on my thumbnail, $3,000. If we're gonna successfully hit that and break through that $3,000, my next target would be $4,000. Goddamn, love you back. Love you back. How's it going right now? What is going on in Pakistan? I mean, the crazy thing is that in this niche, and please don't get offended, in this niche, and for example, make money online, trading, especially crypto, there's a lot of people from India, Pakistan. I mean, whoa, what the hell? I mean, it was like, what? Forex audience is a little bit different. Sorry guys, but yeah, it's way more different. I'm just trying to explain you and trying to say in the polite way, not trying to judge you by where you're from, but it's still strange. Also, I want to double check on my while we talking. All right, yeah, those divergence. If we're gonna see another pump in 7 days, I mean, during the 7 days, we're gonna see another bullish movement. I believe we can even print our favorite golden cross. We see death cross here and the golden cross at approximately here, so that is also extremely bullish. Simple indicators, no hard stuff needed. Yeah, I do understand that. I mean, yeah. Pakistan. I need to visit that place. I mean, I need to see where the majority of the crypto degens are from. But Pakistan group the console a month ago, and we have one guy from the Pakistan that knows how to write in English. A month ago to make Pakistan crypto hub. Do you believe that Pakistan is going to be a crypto hub? I mean, seriously? In my opinion, the crypto hub already existed. Crypto hub is Dubai. Price to dip at the bid dollar cost average. As I mentioned, you fellas, we can also be wrong about this. Ethereum, and by chasing previous those altcoins all-time highs, we could be wrong about this. Because if we are right and the history is gonna repeat itself, whatever, we all gonna make it. So I don't agree with that, but I also try to believe in that. Because if this is true, so we only need to suffer for a little bit, and then we're all like, what, millionaires? That's stupid and irrational and not logical and not realistic. It sounds damn. All right, what else, chat? One more time. If you have any questions, if you're waiting for the CPI and you're trying to stay calm, I do understand. I mean, just a quick live stream just by checking at what direction Ethereum could go. And what if it does go south? What if it's go against us? What do we do? What do we do? Well, me personally, I'm gonna open a buy along if it's gonna reach those certain levels. And I do believe I've done dollar cost average Ethereum. I don't care. All right, Slick. Because you are the OG, if that is the ticker, no. This is too wide. I'm talking about you, man. I'm talking about you. Yeah, because most of the time you guys are like from India or Pakistan, you're like, bro, Ethereum, $10,000 tomorrow. Those type of questions that you have. You have to. Whoa. But that is choppy, I mean. That is choppy. Look at those wicks. It doesn't matter that we pumped. We can also get wrecked. Easily. Easily. But yeah, it looks nice. You see, there's a lot of volatility. There's a lot of spikes at the top. But at the bottom, we started to print something phenomenal. I mean, very calm, very steady. And you rally by how much? 100%. For those who invested here, you already doubled your money. Please secure your brains, you brain damaged baboons, my gamblers, my crypto bros. Secure your gains. You have no idea where this coin could take you. I mean, it could take you to the bottom, to the streets. You're gonna belong to the streets. You're gonna start selling your ass. Or I don't know, you can still believe, secure your gains, and rally along. No, bro, I'm not a racist. I mean, come on. I'm not a racist. if I would be a racist, I mean, I would say crazy stuff, but the thing is, bro, that those guys are doing like that. They're saying those type of questions, and I mean, seriously, no, real talk. They always want a free lunch. They always want a free lunch. I have no idea. They're always like poking you and telling you what to do. I mean, their lack of discipline, attention, whatever. I mean, I'm just seeing what I'm, but you can also join me. Just join me. All good, bro. There's no hard feelings. I'm just speaking out loud. Where's the Ethereum? Where's my little Ethereum? You do understand that we're living at the different side of the world. We never been to your place and we have no idea. We can only... I'm not gonna speak about this topic. I mean, I'm not gonna talk. I mean, it's enough. It's enough! Let's wait and let's hope for the Ethereum to start rising back up. All right, I'm gonna do a quick sippy. I'm gonna take a look on the chat. I want to see what is going on. The live stream with no purpose at all, with a nice and calm jazz music. All right, by finishing this topic about Pakistan, India, and whatever, the third world countries, the main thing is that there's so many of you. There's so many of you, and I was like, what? Whoa. Bitcoin dominance, bro, is just like still rising up, but it looks sloppy that has a chance right now to go down. So that is what we're waiting. If the Bitcoins look at the, I don't need to look at the Bitcoin dominance, look at the Bitcoins like now consolidate, and the Ethereum and majority of those altcoins are printing bullish things. No indicators, none of that. Everything is like, looks pretty solid, and we're waiting for today's CPI. Should I say it's like a news or announcement, whatever? Or maybe I'm a retard and I need to start jumping into the long with a 50x leverage and half of my net worth. And then we're gonna go to the moons, to the stars, or to the graveyard. I mean, it's very interesting. You said that I've been following you for 2 years, and only now I saw that you were doing live streams. So that means my people cannot see my announcements, or what? Yeah, G. I mean, I love those live streams before the bedtime with no purpose. I mean, oh my lord. That's the beauty of the live streams, when you can gather all the people together doing this for just the fun. This is insane. I would want that YouTube could pay me. I would do those live streams. Oh, I don't know, 24. Right now, I do understand how those live streams are feeling, right? Like, doing live streams talking about shit, and they're getting paid. This is awesome. No problem, Cloudy GG. No problem. We're just trying to grow together. We're all trying to grow, and we're just all trying to grow. Right now, I'm visiting one country, and I'm not gonna say where I am right now. I'm not gonna say that. All right, in 2 weeks, I'm gonna be in Monaco, so you can try to catch me there. What's the purpose of being anonymous, no? Just, you can imagine I'm from India, right? I'm from India. Yeah, XRP looks like it's also printing some kind of flag. I checked the XRP later. I mean, no, I'm gonna check XRP right now. Yeah, it's also printing some kind of... It's gonna start pumping, so... I'm gonna give you a trading call that I see right now, and I'm not gonna take this trade because I don't care, but you can play a little bit with it, but will this gap will be respected? And can we start pumping alongside with all of those altcoins? Huh? All right. You in the US. Cash me on that. How about that? You want to cash me outside? Cash me outside. How about that? Is that girl still alive? I mean, how's she's... What is she's up to these days? Pooped impulsive movement. I'm not confident, but no. Maybe another touch point at the bottom. Oh, right now in Vegas, there's like a crypto conference or a blockchain conference. Is that right? I saw the Benjamin is in Vegas, so I need to visit one of those crypto conference one day. Maybe I'm gonna be a speaker, and the first words gonna come out of my mouth is gonna be, I'm a retard crypto degen. I don't like to take profits. I don't give a damn thing, and bye, Mr. Pakistan. Here's the thing, I have no idea how to pronounce her name. Would I love to try? Wasif Azem? Yeah, and let me just double check on the Google. I mean, blockchain Vegas. Top Las Vegas, Nevada, blockchain companies. Something is going on live. Bitcoin 2025 conference, Las Vegas. Michael Saylor? What is he gonna say? Buy more Bitcoin? Paying how much is the ticket? Hold on, chat. Because I missed 1st of May in Dubai. Now I missed this one. I mean, I want to get involved in those conferences. I'm going to raise my hand and I'm going to say, when's the moon? When Lambo? We invested and we suffered a lot. For a long time. We need some numbers. We don't need for you to say, buy more Bitcoin. Blockchain and Crypto Conference 2025, the complete guide. I don't need the guide. Where can I find? Oh, I remember. Blockchain Conference. You don't see my second window, but right now I'm typing in. Here's Dubai token for 2049. Why is it showing me Las Vegas? I found it. Found it. How much is the ticket? Request. Adult. Request company products. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I need to Toronto, Canada. It's gonna be another in Canada. Oh, March. What? I'm just trying to check Paris, the world's largest crypto event. I'm gonna do this later, but I mean, if you guys want to meet me, let's just meet each other in the crypto conference. That would be awesome. I would be like, hey Sailor, this is me and my DGen army, and we're doing live streams and we are throwing money into, I don't know, into the fire every single time. We don't care, we're just trying to gamble our money. Do you know where to put your stop losses? No, screw that, screw stop losses, we're just going all in. $150 to $2,000 W's ticket price. All right, so you paying $2,000 for you to hear the Michael Saylor? I mean, Benjamin is cool, but because he's doing all of those math type of shit things. Come on, GG, you're better than that. You're better. Yeah, I would love to. I saw that the token 2049 is gonna be in the Singapore. So I thought about it. I forget the date. Yeah, I forgot the date, but I need to double check on it. But that would be awesome. Can you imagine? Me and bunch of my followers, the crypto degens, that are sitting into the corner. No one is listening to that stupid conference that Michael Saylor is speaking, but we were all talking about stuff about like third world countries, about life, how to get rich. Zamcan, I also remember you. I never forget the faces. I never forget the face. I even didn't limit orders for my future trade at 2260. All right, 2260. 2260. Oh, you bastard. You're talking about the golden zone. That's what we are waiting for. Yeah, when Lambo. No, I'm not from India. If I would be from India, you would hear from my accent, fellas. From India. Fat? Like a cheese? Maybe I'm gonna jump on my previous thing. That looks fatty. Looks fatty. Not quite sure. Can't connect all of those dots. Lower low, liquidity, what do you think? Hold on, are we talking about the FET or FET or what? About the Ethereum? Let it be. Just imagine I'm from Norway. A lot of people are traveling in Norway these days to Oslo. Zero opinion about the FET, but it looks like it's printing, and yeah, it has like a probability to see a retracement, but I don't see clear numbers. There's the thing. There's a majority of those crypto coins that I cannot see clear numbers. For example, there's a demand printing, still printing higher lows, but it looks unclear. It looks definitely unclear. Fellas, we're talking about the random things right now. I want to talk and know your position on Ethereum because this live stream sponsored. Of course, I'm just kidding, not sponsored, but I want to hear about your position on Ethereum. Or maybe I'm just a stupid degen that holds 70 to 80% of my net worth on Ethereum. Every single coin has massive potential, but they don't deliver. What happened to those majority of those AI coins, huh? What happened to them? My live streams are... It's ridiculous. We're talking for... There's like a 2-3 minute intro. Then we're talking 10 minutes about important things, about the price action, about what is going on in all of those trenches in the crypto ecosystem, in the blockchain world, whatever. And then for the next 2 hours, we're gonna talk, and we're talking about love, relationship, about crypto conference. What the fuck? What the hell? I need to be more brutal and more sharp and more get to the point in those live streams and then wrap it up. To be honest, I don't know why people are still super bullish on Solana, especially with all of the rug pulls. I mean, Solana is the main tool to flip and trade meme coins. It also has the NFT ecosystem, which is powerful. And look at the top influence what they're doing. They're flipping meme coins left and right during that meme coin rally. And I do believe that the meme coin rally is gonna start. We're gonna see another meme coin rally. I don't know why. It's just a feeling. Just my gut. Just have a feeling. Yeah. All right, fellas. Let's just talk, because I have 0 things to do right now. Let's just talk, and the next live stream will be quick and straight crypto market update. If I'm gonna see something important, I'm jumping on the live stream, so I suggest you to like, subscribe, whatever, or don't. I don't give a damn thing. It's totally up to you. My portfolio, my wallet won't increase because yours keep watching my live streams. You think so? You like my live stream? That's awesome. That's awesome. That's a great feedback. That's a great feedback. Yeah, price action. Yeah, I know so. Oh my god. We started debating. We started to debate in the live chat. Zam against Top G. Cloudy GG. All right. What else do you have, chat? I believe that in the next few years, Ethereum most definitely gonna show its full potential. Or I'm absolutely, once again, GG, I'm absolutely retard, and I'm gonna lose a lot of money, and Ethereum will never gonna shine again. That's what I believe. Are we gonna go to heaven, going to the our promised land of the Ethereum all-time highs, or I'm gonna became a madman in the next few years. Because after this bull rally, if this bull rally right now, if the Bitcoin right now, well, the attention goes, money flows. If the right now Bitcoin is pumping and the money is gonna start flowing into those altcoins, and then I'm gonna execute successfully altcoin season, I will need a mental and physical therapy for the next 6 months after this bull rally is gonna be over. I'll definitely gonna need a therapy. This is so extended. I mean, what the hell? Why is my chart doesn't move? Because I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm just trying to stay calm and look at the live chat. I'm just showing you my potential plan. What could happen with Ethereum after the CPI? Ethereum doesn't hit out by the end of the year. Yeah, we all do. We all need a therapy right now, right this moment. Because, oh my god. Yeah, Ethereum. Goddamn, I have a feeling. I don't know why, but I have a feeling that Ethereum's gonna consolidate here. And it's not gonna retest my golden zone. I'm gonna miss it by a long trade. I'm gonna miss that movement. But my spot position, I mean my wallet will be thankful. But I have just a feeling, fellas. I don't know why. Oh my god. And Zam, don't forget to say this is not a financial advice. Not financial advice. And also, fellas, for those who just joined, I mean, yeah, I announced this 1 hour ago during the live stream, but I'm creating my personal blueprint alongside with my template when I'm tracking everything, all of the social media work, all of the trades, everything, risk management calculator, percentages, all of that, risk management plans. Right now I'm working on my backend and I'm building something really special. Yeah. So I'll announce maybe the next week. I want to add dance return. These 2.6. What? What is the liquidity heat map? Let me double check. What does it says on Bitcoin? Oh, we have, where's the Bitcoin? 1.117. Oh my god, tons of liquidity are sitting at 11.7. And then at the bottom, I see the full box 108. So it's just like a simple inside the range. This is stupid. Liquidity heat maps are stupid. Well, except if you're a scalp trader. But I'm not a scalp trader. In my opinion, scalp trading is bullshit. Right, Doge. Doge also still inside this consolidation. This is my educational guess on the Dogecoin if everything is gonna stay and remain bullish. But of course, we're gonna can see breakdown to retest my premium zone. XRP, Sui is also need to chill out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna expose something. Where's my GMT, the previous technical analysis on GMT? That failed one. Yeah, this one. We thought GMT formed a nice and bullish structure, but it ended up by being fake out. AVAX, I already explained AVAX. Sorry, bro. We're just shifting from being bears into the bulls. This is also a wonderful example of that explosive pattern that I'm talking about. If we're gonna be able to break this resistance, you see? And also, let me double check. What is the percentage of the rally after the breakout till the final? Also, approximately 100%. Approximately 100% rally. Oh my god, I need to prepare myself for this. I need to freaking prepare myself. How's it going with the BNB? How's that? Oh my lord. BNB is also sitting at those. Oh my god. If this pattern could play out, and it does playing out somehow. No, I'm not confident in drawing those on the weekly time frame. This is stupid. The main TRX, this one. The Tron. Oh, those are my, yeah. Also the premium zone. This one looks interesting. Tron network. Steady, calm. Don't match. Pepe still at this. Once again, for those who don't know, I'm just illustrating my spot position from the bottom. I'm not in any buy along with leverage. This is just my spot. And I took some profits. And yeah, hold on, bye. Yeah, Zam, you're right. When Ethereum was $5,000, Bitcoin first hit $50,000. It's you 3 times the correct price. See? Yeah, so that is why we're bullish on Ethereum, because we do believe that it needs to catch up the Bitcoin price. So what? Hold on a second. So 550. So that means Ethereum has to sit, according to the previous bull rally, at least 10,000. Or my math is absolutely retarded. For those who just joined, smash a like, that would be wonderful before the wrap. Smash a like costs you absolutely nothing. That would be awesome. Yeah, $10,000. $10 racks. Oh my lord. If that would be true, I'm just calculating in my head how much money could I made. Of course, you can't calculate the money that doesn't already exist yet, but damn, Zam, you're so accurate. Where are you from, Zam? Are you the guy from Germany? I mean, Your name sounds familiar. God damn, you're so accurate. I sold my Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin at, and I don't regret. I don't give a damn thing. I mean, I'm gonna find another trade. I don't care. I bought Bitcoin at approximately $6,000. Then I placed at $7,000. I placed at $8,000. Then I placed probably at 9.5. And then my wallet. Yeah, that's right, Zam. That is you. And then, if I'm not mistaken, my exchange, or let's just say the wallet that I was using, got, I need to verify me, and it didn't allow me my, there was some kind of investigation because they didn't allow me to send my passport or ID, whatever, because whatever, that's a different story. They investigated, they let me. I was in extreme FOMO because my friend was like, oh my god, Bitcoin halving, are you ready? Bitcoin, I was like, yeah, I'm ready. Oh my god, the Bitcoin halving, because it happens every like what, 4 years. And I wanted to invest, and I ended up by investing $11,000 and $12,000. And I sold at that major rally when the Elon Musk announced that he's accepting Bitcoin. I remember this vividly. When he accepted Bitcoin, I mean, to buy a Tesla with a Bitcoin, I sold it, then it pumped. Everybody was saying that I'm crazy, and then it dumped. We topped out. So that was a freaking great trade. There are no regrets at this one. I'm not some kind of diamond hands on this. I was just looking for a trade. My job is to make money and bounce. So, of course, right now, by looking at the past, I do want to see, I would like to have some Bitcoin, but I mean more Bitcoin, but it is what it is. That was a great trade. Can't blame myself. That was my decision that I thought it is like rational and it is logical, and my god, I'm not gonna tell you how much, but that was the best trade. The spot trade, that was the best trade. I need to double check if that was like a wallet that you could bought with your credit card right instead, and majority of those exchanges doesn't have that function when you can simply go and buy with a credit card. You need to transfer and wait for you need to deposit and wait for 3 or 2 business days. I didn't have time for this, so that was like a shady exchange. I don't know if it's like, I don't want to do an advertisement for that exchange here, but I need to double check, and I need to write down into my calculator how much did I make. Right now, bro, GG, JJ. I'm gonna call you JJ if you're gonna start visiting my live streams more often. I remember your logo, so all good, JJ. My thoughts about the Japanese bond market, like zero. I'm far away from those bond and stock markets right now. Far away. Just like, I'm just watching sometimes from the sidelines. Sometimes where you're paying attention, oh my god, what is going on with the Japanese bond market? What is going on with the Japanese economy? What is going on between, I don't know, China and United States? Oh my god, what is going on with the Bitcoin charts? They're printing a bullish market structure. Oh my god, I need to jump on the buy. I mean, I stopped paying attention of those important economic news, I would say, the long time ago. That is why you won't see me by analyzing. I did only one video on my YouTube that BlackRock is buying Ethereum, and that video got most of the more views than ever, like 3,000. I don't have a lot of views on YouTube, so, and a lot of people were interested. A lot of people from the US were watching this, and so for those people who are doing content online, they always doing technical analysis alongside with those economic news. That is absolute. I don't care about this I just don't care. For example, right now we're waiting for the CPI, and I just don't care. I'm just looking at the market structure. If the CPI is gonna shake out every single one of us, you saw there's like on top liquidity and at the bottom. I'm just waiting for the trade to come to me. I'm not trying to chase it, and especially on the daily time frame. Always, fellas, in the crypto market, try to master daily time frame. Screw those 4, 1, 30 minutes. I mean, if you're trading Bitcoin on a 31-hour time frame by the supply and demand, yeah, you can have a success. But basically on those altcoins, try to master daily time frame, and no news, no economic events are gonna touch you like that hard. Let it be, bro. Crypto altcoin market is like a penny stocks back in the days. They're printing similar market structure that I'm trying to keep my eyes on, and I'm trying to chase that for that swing. Swing for a fence. Oh my god, the live stream is like 1 hour and 50 minutes. What the hell are we doing here? What the hell are we talking here? We're not gonna wait for the CPI, that's for sure. Why the hell are we doing this? Whenever I'm doing the live stream, after the live stream without having a lot of attention, I mean, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good because you did something good. You gave some wisdom. You gave some technical analysis. You give some free advice for people, or a bad advice. I have no idea. Maybe we're gonna lose all of our money on Ethereum. Who knows? That would be awesome. If you would have that correction, that would be awesome. I'm waiting for that correction because when we are sitting at the all-time highs, I'm in FOMO. And I mean, the guy, I don't want to say I'm with experience, but I believe I have experience for those a lot of years, but I'm in FOMO. I'm doing mistakes. I'm doing mistakes also. I'm not a god, but yeah, GG, it is what it is. What is your biggest regret, chat? What is your biggest regret? 14 people, those true OGs that are watching my live stream right now. What are your biggest regrets in crypto? Have I ever tell you a story how I came up with my name? That's an interesting one. Before I'm gonna say this, I'm just gonna post one more time for the people, because the guy from the Pakistan said that in 2 years he never seen me doing a live streams. So I'm gonna try to announce one more time because I have no idea why. No, the Plan FOMO name came back in the 2018-19 bull rally. There was like a guy, and there still is till this day, Plan B. And there was a guy, Plan A, Plan C. The Plan B guy, for those who don't know, he's like, yeah, he's an OG. He's using a stack to flow models, and he's trying to predict price movements. I don't use those models. I don't care. I'm looking on the price action on the bigger time frames, but he predicted, he predicted the average Bitcoin price for every single month during that rally. He told us, for example, I don't remember the exact numbers, but I couldn't buy Bitcoin when it was like, it's all good, bro. Who cares? Who cares? I mean, are you talking specifically about me? So back to my story, the guy told every single of his followers that Bitcoin is going to be, during this month, the average price is going to be like, the lowest point will be this, for example, $36,000. And he was right. The next month, he told us, he told to his followers, and that's how he gained all of those followers, because he was unique. His predictions came into reality for the 7 or 6 months straight. The Bitcoin price is going to be the next month 48, the lowest point. 48 was the lowest point. The third month, the Bitcoin price is going to be 51K. He did it right. He predicted right. Then the fourth month, fifth month, and I believe like a 6 or 7 months in a row, he predicted the price correctly. The plan B, I'm gonna get back to my story, but this is like a very important. And then everybody say that this guy's right, the stack to flow model works, and the Bitcoin price will definitely gonna be $100,000 based on this model. And the big players and the whales use this information, that's what I believe, and they dumped the price, and we went straight into the bear market. And I was like, this is not a plan B or plan A. Those guys were like, yeah, they named themselves like a plan A, plan B, plan C. I remember there was like a plan C and plan A, most definitely. And I was like, this is not a plan B or plan A, plan C. This is plan FOMO. And when I started to post by being a plan FOMO, those guys blocked me on Twitter, on X right now. Those guys blocked me because they thought I'm making fun of them, but I'm not making fun of them. This is just like, this is just a sweet, just a cool story for those who don't know. The plan FOMO, it sounds cool, it looks cool. It's, I don't know, it is what it is, who cares? So that's the story. And yeah, I thought I'm gonna create this anonymous persona online. That was awesome. So yeah, that is what illustrates by being anonymous in crypto. The luxury in life is right now privacy. For example, right now my job is to gain and to reach 1 million followers on Instagram after I'm gonna finish doing my stuff in the back end. And so if I would be like a public guy, my face would be like recognized. I don't want to show my face online and have like 1 million followers. I don't want to go, oh, shut up. Hey, this is Plant Phone. Let's take a picture. Shut the hell up. Shut the hell up, retard. Don't touch me. I don't want to do that. I want to stay anonymous. I believe that's the real luxury. Private, anonymous, private lives. And yeah, that is pretty much it. What else? What else I want to tell that? Yeah, I'm gonna try to reach 1 million followers on Instagram. Maybe I'm gonna fail doing this, but I'm gonna put a lot of work into my content because this is my hobby. This is my hobby. I like to do this. And for those who aren't interested in social media, I became very good on Instagram. Well, of course, not on TikTok, on YouTube, on X. I have like less experience in those 3 platforms, but on Instagram, I know how to grow. And I'm gonna make also a quick guide for those who want to gain followers. I'm gonna start growing on Instagram. For those who want to optimize their business, whatever. So I'm also gonna do that because I would not do that, but a lot of people were asking me to do that, so I'm gonna do it. If there's like a demand, I'm gonna give them. I remember when the Bitcoin was oh my god, there's still people who are listening to me. I thought I was speaking with only a few people. Oh my god, the live streams are fun. Live streams are fun. Oh my god. Yeah, but this is the like last live stream I'm gonna do. This is like last live stream I'm gonna do for that long, for 2 hours straight. I remember we did a party for $100,000. 100K reaching Bitcoin party, whatever. And I was like talking for 4 hours with my community straight, and my mouth was dry. No, I'm gonna do live streams. I'm gonna jump most of the time in those live streams. I'm not gonna do those raw videos. I hate raw videos, but I'm not gonna do for that long. I mean, this is stupid. If I were sitting in some kind of truck, then I could leave that live stream for 12 hours. That would be interesting to see what's the profits, how much did we lose, etc. But right now, there's like no reason. We're waiting for some kind of retracement. We're waiting for our setups to play out. No problem. Anthony. What else? Yeah, all the stories, all the setups, everything was been shared online, recorded. Because why I'm recording every single time, I want to sit back after 2-3 years and hopefully Ethereum's gonna be at $10,000. Praise, I mean, if the crypto gods will bless us, I'm gonna sit back and enjoy by rewatching those live streams when we're in pain by looking on the Ethereum sitting at what? 2 point whatever $1,000. So yeah. Because sometimes talking about the Instagram, because sometimes I don't get it why people are following me. It's because of the content, it's because of the trades, it's because of the trading ideas. Because of what? Because I saw a lot of comments, oh my god, how to make those cool ass videos. Alright. It's not the first time I'm getting these type of questions. So if there's like a demand, I need to create something for them to get rid of all of those questions. You want me to look on the another coin? Oh my god, what the hell is that? Did I do this technical analysis or not on this one? It's already, bro. This one has already tried to shot it to the moon. If you're gonna ask my opinion about it, I have no idea. I don't know what is behind this project, so sorry. If you're asking me about specific coin that you're holding or you're invested in, I don't have that knowledge. I mean, if I never encountered with that project. First time here for sure. Because you're breaking out a matrix, bro. I believe that I do believe in that, but in the matrix, I like the concept. I'm not believing that. I'm not a believer, but I do believe in the whole concept. But we people that are saying, oh my god, we need to escape the matrix, we're creating our own matrix, you know? Sometimes we're so focused on our grind and, oh my god, you got to lock in, you gotta lock in, and oh my god, grind until you die. No. Have to enjoy a little bit. For those who are watching me, I told you a story and reason about dropping a Instagram, let's just say social media guide, how to grow, for example, followers on Instagram, because I'm good at it. So, are you interested in that? I mean, why do you follow me? I need to investigate why people are following me. Because of the content from Instagram, because it's viral, it looks cool, it's dope, or it's because I want to learn trading, I want to go into the crypto world and start making money. All right. So here's the deal about the Telegram. Here's the thing. For those who don't know, I posted publicly my links of the Telegram, and one of my posts on Instagram went viral for about 44 million views. And that stupid video attracted so many NPCs, so many bots. Well, I don't know if their bots are real, that right now, after they log in, after getting a notification from my Telegram, they don't know what the hell is that. He's talking about the trading? What? I'm gonna unfollow him. So a lot of people are like, I have a lot of NPCs right now. A lot. Like literally a lot. All right. How to grow on Twitter? I mean, yeah, all right, Sam, from Twitter, from X, but how to grow on X is just to post more technical analysis. I'm always getting a lot of reach on technical analysis and always gaining new followers on that. YouTube, I need to post a lot of raw videos, a lot of stupid predictions, a lot of clickbait videos. That's when you're gonna get a lot of views and a lot of attention. But I don't want to do that. I want to leave YouTube for my fans, from Instagram, whatever. So we all together could join in the live stream and talk about shits and giggles, as we're doing right now. All right, one more time. All right, let's just discuss a few topics. It can be about trading. It could be about, for those who don't know, my next target point on Ethereum is $3,000. Bitcoin for, I mean, no, not a Bitcoin. Ethereum next target, the second target, $4,000. Bitcoin, I don't give a damn thing where the Bitcoin is gonna go. What is the top viewers at once was watching? 30, only 30. I want to get at least 1,000. What it takes for me to get 1,000 views at once. Here's the thing about OF. I just saw your question. I mean the message, the comment in the live chat. I mean, there's so many talented people, and there's like a lot of cool people online. And their craft is not that valuable as those girls, OF girls. I was like, what the hell? Do you know this fact that 2024 NBA net worth, or what was like a third 26 or 24 billion? And the OF was 28. The revenue they generated through all of those years. Okay. This is crazy. Oh my god, I have a lot of NPCs. Is there anyone else that hasn't smashed the like on this live stream? How many likes do we have? We have in total like 300 views. All right, I'm not gonna beg for this. I'm just testing new waters. Oh, what? We have 33 likes. Oh my god, that is awesome. 2 more likes and we will have more than we had the previous live stream. Of course, this one is a little bit longer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we're getting there. After posting 1,000 live streams, after doing 1,000 live streams, we'll get there. Yeah, that's what I say. That's what I said. Zam. All right. You see? Even a random person, of course, you're not that random anymore, but even a random person on a live stream where you're communicating can teach you something. You need to start trading live. So I thought about this, and why I'm not doing this, because I don't want to be responsible, and I don't want this to be end by being a disaster. So I want to transfer, and I already did on Blowfin. I transfer, and I show you on my tutorial that I transfer 1000 USDT on the Blowfin to test it out the new waters of this exchange. So I thought maybe I'm gonna do 1000 USDT to, let's just say, $10,000, 10,000 USDT, but I'm gonna trade more aggressively, and it's crypto. So without proper risk management, I can easily blow that account. That'll be, I mean, or at least you start trading with the less money than I started after losing tons of the trades. So that is a little bit interesting scenario that I'm planning to do. Maybe that would be easy to... I mean, scalp, yeah, because scalping them is... Because it's quick, people can see in and out, they can even enter your position, which is, I mean, along together with you, they can enter that position. But if I'm exposing my position and thousands of people are watching me, and if they're gonna do exactly the same thing on a low cap coin, we're gonna create a liquidity, or am I mistaken? So but if I'm gonna start doing scalping, then I'm gonna have to navigate myself and have to recalibrate myself into a scalper, which I don't want to do that. So so instead of doing $1,000 challenge, maybe we can start doing like $20,000 into 100, but 1,000 is better because I can put myself into a random person's shoes and show them that it's possible if you know when to trade and know when to stay out of it. For example, right now I want to get in, but I do understand that we need to stay out of it. The CPI is like what, in 2 hours or what? 3 hours? Of course, we're not gonna sit here for the 3 hours. There's one guy who gets 5k live. I believe I know what you're talking about whom you're talking about. All right. All right, Zam, you created a game plan, a rules for me. I'll try to do my best. Is there a cancel culture on YouTube? What if I'm gonna blow that $1,000? I don't want to be responsible on that. I mean, that'll be terrible. Because if I'm gonna scalp, I'm gonna do that aggressive because I don't give a damn thing about that $1,000. Who cares? For example, if I'm gonna blow up that account, I'm just gonna transfer more. Who cares? Today, perfect events and entertainment. Really? People... Because sometimes I'm watching some of the people live streams or watching some of the people on Instagram, and I'm seeing that everybody's just winning. Everybody's just winning. They don't show their losses, which is crazy. That makes me feel dumb. Maybe you're doing this craft for I don't know how many years, but and you're doing something bad. And of course, I never posted on, I mean, I posted, but right from now, I'm done posting results on Instagram. That's because I got a strike because of the gambling. I posted my last profits that I posted was on my Instagram story. I posted on Ethereum. That was like about what, 250% or whatever. And Ethereum, I mean, not Ethereum, Instagram flagged me for doing some kind of gambling stuff. And they were like, nope. Stop spamming. Bro, just go and do those perfect events. And that is pretty much it, fellas. 2 hours and 15 minutes talking about absolutely nothing. So for those who kept watching and listening for my BS, you are a true legends. Once again, thank you, Zam, for giving me an advice. Thank you. You deserve to sit in the whale room. I don't want to be a racist. I try to post on YouTube those raw videos, educational ones, and I'm attractive people from, you know what I'm gonna say. You know what I'm gonna say. I'm attracting people from a specific location. So I don't want to do that because they're always like thinking that this strategy is gonna make them rich. Because right now what I'm learning is traffic source. Traffic source, what do you need to post to attract more, I don't know, smart people? Not like gamblers. To attract more people like you, Zam. That's what I'm trying to do right now. DM me. You know what, Zam, just DM me on Instagram, you know? DM me on Instagram with a screenshot of the live stream, whatever. I'm gonna talk to you on the Instagram. Of course, you don't have an Instagram, so goddamn. I want to make a bet. Perfect events and entertainment. Where are you from? Zam, here's a perfect example. I'm gonna show you. Perfect events. The guy with the name Perfect Events. I cannot see, I cannot zoom your profile picture, but where are you from? All right, let's just answer it, and that's gonna be a wrap. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. And the winner is Plan FOMO. And he's gonna get 10,000 of Zennies. He's gonna get like 10,000 of Zimbabwe dollars. And new. All right, I'm just kidding, fellas. I'm just kidding. Just spreading love. And yeah, fellas, so 0 thoughts on Bitcoin. I have 0 thoughts on majority of those altcoins. On majority of those altcoins that I posted inside my room, we're printing exactly the same pattern that has the potential to explode. And yeah, and on Ethereum, right now we're in this consolidation channel, so I have no idea where this could take us after CPI and FOMC meeting, but I do want to see a retest at the golden zone. I'm not gonna get into those details, but I wanna see a retest. So, but market doesn't care about my wishes, doesn't care about my plans. It's gonna do what it's supposed to do, what it has to do. So yeah, and that is pretty much it. That's a wrap. Thank you. I mean, that was fun. Zam gave me a lot of ideas. And yeah, how many evidence I need to show you why I don't like those type of people. I'm not being, stop calling me racist. Come on, just stop. Just stop. This is not about that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Sorry for being rude for some people. Sorry for being too kind for some people, and just trying to do my best. Just trying to grow together on the social media. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And I'm gonna see you probably tomorrow, because tomorrow I believe we gotta have some price action. But yeah, but we'll see. Yeah, peace out.